Hey G-Squad, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? Today's episode, we got this cool, amazing one right here, and basically what this is a memory foam bed or memory foam mattress. And this one from the brand called PrimaSleep or PrimaSleep. So first thing first, I'm actually open the product to show you guys what's included inside. Alright, so we guys first open the product, you can see that this is basically what it looks like inside. So what we're going to do right now is to flip the actual mattress over so that way it can actually come out easier instead of me lifting it up. So when we take it out, you can see that this is basically what the packaging looks like. They do give you guys the instruction manual right here to tell you guys how to set it up. And right here is the mattress. You can see it's all nice and compressed. So what we're going to do right now is to open up this wrapper right here and let it expand. Alright, so you see that once we remove that wrapper, there's another wrapper inside. And this is basically what it looks like before you guys expand it. So what you guys want to do now is to flip it so that the bottom part right here is facing down. So let me do that first. Alright, so we got the top part right here. So what you guys want to do now is cut the bag open and let it expand. Alright, so once you open up and see that this is basically what it looks like. So you see right here it's kind of uneven, so you probably want to put something underneath it, so that way it can actually fully expand evenly. So I'm going to actually find something to put underneath first. Alright, so I just put something underneath and now it's kind of even. But you see that this is basically what it looks like right now. So we have to let it fully expand first and then come back and check on it later on when it's fully expanded. Alright, so this is day 2 of the PrimaSleep mattress that we have right here. You can see it actually expanded a lot on the side, but there is still some on the corner right here that need to expand. But that's not a huge issue. Even right now when it's not fully expanded, you can still use it to go to sleep and everything. So let me actually hop on to show you guys what the product looks like after 2 days of waiting for it to expand. Alright, so when we hop on, it definitely feels really nice. The only kind of feedback that I have about this product is the fact that it doesn't have like the cooling gel like a lot of other memory foams that I've tested in the past. Which is super convenient during like the hot summer days when it's actually really hot. But definitely when you guys feel the material on this mattress, it feels really, really nice. If you guys can see how it's submerged in, it comes back up immediately. So definitely the mattress is really supportive and you definitely get that comfort on here. But this is basically what the overall mattress looked like when you guys fully expanded. I took away the bed frame so you can see a better view of the product. You can see right here. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out. And it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.